17,000 actual miles, 1985 Ford Mustang GT, Jalapeno red, 5-speed. Let's take it for a test drive. This is one of those cars that we've had the opportunity to own round two. Sold it to a local customer here that's had some fun with it, put maybe about 1,000 miles on it or so since we sold it to him a while back. Had his fun with it, and we were able enough to buy it back from him, which is really cool. It is a 1985 Ford Mustang GT, and it has a documented and a well-tracked history of 17,269 miles as of this video. Clean Carfax, clean autocheck, and all kinds of original paperwork. Have the window sticker, the Ford invoice, all kinds of other miscellaneous docs and paperwork, which is really cool. And this is an awesome spec'd out Mustang GT. Retains its original numbers matching 5-liter, 5-speed manual transmission, both of which perform exactly like you'd expect a 17,000 mile Fox body to perform like. It is like going in a time machine driving a brand new 4i Fox body. We sell a lot of the later Fox bodies. We don't get a ton of the 4i cars, but this one with the color combo, all of the paperwork, the backstory on it, and just how nice it is. I had zero issues bringing it back in for round two. Runs, drives, stops, and steers like a brand new car. That 5-liter is very strong. The clutch feels good for the 5-speed. You have your power steering, power disc brakes, factory heat and AC. The AC is nice and cold. Factory exhaust, so really not a terribly loud car. On the interior, it's code PA, which is your charcoal and gray interior with your red piping. Door panels look brand new. Seat covers are excellent. Upper dash, lower dash, gauge cluster, headliner, visors, all of that is in excellent, like new condition. Factory steering wheel looks brand new. And check this out, you got your factory working map light. All that looks awesome. Your factory stereo. You have your little warning lights down low there, factory clock. Everything in here is very crispy and very clean. I like the fact that it is a manual window, manual lock car. Nothing wrong with the power options, but sometimes it's just more electronics to potentially go wrong. This one obviously has your 505 speed and your AC. And then after that, power options, I don't really care to have any of the electronic stuff if it's not there. The manual windows, manual locks, manual mirrors is a bonus if you ask me. Does it work section on this one? It is a really well-sorted car. One of your interior bulbs here, when you turn it to the left, the little green light on the dash is not flashing, but if you turn it to the right, the green bulb does flash. So you have an interior turn signal bulb, which is burnt out. And then the only other items that we have listed is kind of disclaimers on this one, is you have a few little seepages. From the bottom of the transmission, there's a little bit of a seepage. The power steering, there's a little seepage, and then the valve covers, again, a little bit of seepage. All normal stuff for a lower mileage car. Those seals, they will shrink up over time. You start driving this thing consistently, it might seal those back up. Again, it's nothing that needs to be addressed at this exact point. Just some little disclaimers that maybe at some point in the future you might have to do a little seal here or there. Again, really indicative of a lower mileage car. That stuff does happen. But again, the one item that's listed as a no is the interior turn signal bulb, and then you do have the few little seepage and leaks. But we are warmed up after this next car here. We'll go after it. You will find a screenshot of the Does It Work section, excuse me, I didn't mention that before, of the Does It Work section in the additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com, so make sure you guys check that out. Second gear chirp there from the Fox body. So it runs really well for what it is. They're not crazy high horsepower setups from the factory, but it pulls hard, shifts through the gears really well. And then on the underneath, nothing to complain about. Shows absolutely excellent. Floors are great, frame rails are great, no problems of any kind on the bottom. On the exterior, it's code 2R, which is your Jalapeno red. Does appear to be original paint. It's got its little nicks, its little imperfections. It is from 1985, so it's 40 years old at this point. if my math is right there. So you do have your little imperfections, little flaws, but it still represents really nice. You'll see photos of those flaws in that additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com, but still a great looking car. Really represents like a 17,000 mile car should. Good tires all the way around, stock wheels, all your trim, bumpers front and rear. You got your little fog light covers up front. Really is a good looking car. I like the 4i cars. You see a lot of the later Fox bodies. You definitely don't see a lot of the earlier ones like this, especially with super low miles. 17,000 is very low miles. And then this is just such a documented car. It's got so much paperwork. There's a big old binder of all the good stuff on it, which is really cool. I would personally take the original exhaust off and put some flow mashers on it and just retain the original exhaust. That's just me. I know it's kind of sacrilegious on a really low mileage car. You could do that and keep the original exhaust, or just leave this thing exactly like it sits. Suspension is all factory front and rear. No problems, no disclaimers from any of that. Steering's nice and tight. Your manual windows, they roll up and down like they should. Windshield has a couple tiny little nicks, miscellaneous stuff. Back glass is clear and easy to see out of. Rear view mirrors clear with no haziness. Again, it is manual mirrors, so you have to manually adjust them, but you can get them exactly where you want it to be. Works on both sides. It is your manual adjustable driver's seat over here. And then these early cars, they do have tilt, so you can get comfortable in here. The way the console's set up with my arm, I always drive with my left hand on the top of the steering wheel. Makes for a really comfortable driving position. These are smaller cars. You're not really loading up 5 people in here. But obviously 2 up front. Really strong car mechanically. Odometer's rolling like it should, trip meter's rolling like it should. When you pop the hatch in the back, shows exactly like it's supposed to back there. The carpets, all the plastics, everything is in excellent condition in the back of this car. And then when you do pop the hood, it is the original numbers matching 5-liter to this Mustang. All of your fluids, hoses, belts, wires, your wear items in the engine compartment, nothing needs to be replaced, nothing needs to be serviced. Your only disclaimers would be those few little seepage spots, little leaks that are starting to develop, which again is common on an older car that has lower miles. When they sit, those seals, they shrink up. You're just bound to have a few things here and there. Charging system's doing its job. All of our gauges are functioning exactly like they should. You have your voltage, your temperature gauge, your tach, your speedometer, and then on the left you have your, on the right you have your oil pressure and your fuel gauge. Factory heat and AC controls work like they should. I have the AC on right now because it is 70 degrees here in Texas, and it is comfortable as comfortable gets on the inside of this thing. A couple other little things I forgot to mention. Some minor little plastic scuffs from getting in and out on the kick panels there from where your foot sits, but that's just a really minimal deal there. You have a windshield banner tint strip. Doesn't inhibit your ability to see out of the windshield. You just see a little darker spot right above your kind of your vision line there. It's always fun to get in one a little bit more. Usually a bone stock one like this, you're not getting a little sideways, but you can get a little tire chirp just like we did there. A lot of fun to get after it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 17,000 mile 1985 Ford Mustang GT with all kinds of documentation, 5.0, 5-speed. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out all the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.